The OnePlus 70 is a flagship smartphone with a 6.55-inch Full HD Plus Fluid AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate that gives users a smooth experience. It houses 3 cameras at the back. It has a 48-megapixel primary camera with a Sony IMX586 sensor, the second is a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, and the third is a 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera for capturing wide-angle shots. For your selfie needs, the smartphone has a 16-megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone has an HDR10 Plus display for you to enjoy HDR content. The display is protected by Gorilla Glass 6. For security, it has an in-display fingerprint sensor and also supports face unlock from the front-facing camera. The OnePlus 70 runs on Android with OnePlus's Oxygen OS overlaying it. For performance, it relies on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. The smartphone comes with 8GB RAM and is available in 2 storage options, 128GB and 256GB. The smartphone boasts of the latest UFS 3.0 storage. It also sports a game mode to give mobile gamers an immersive experience. Adding to the immersion, the smartphone has 2 speakers for stereo sound. The phone also supports Dolby Atmos. The smartphone is available in 2 color options, Frosted Silver and Glacier Blue. The OnePlus 70 is a dual nano SIM phone with both SIM slots supporting 4G. The 3800 mAh lithium polymer battery comes with Warp Charge 30 fast charging with a claimed charge of 0 to 70% in 30 minutes. The box includes the handset, Warp Charge 30T power adapter, Type-C cable, quick starter guide, case, SIM tray ejector, and a pre-applied screen protector. The OnePlus 70 comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI and exchange options. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.